Hi guys, welcome back to another favorites. This time it is August favorites and it's my birthday month. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Starting with makeup favorites as usual, I have a brush with me. This is the PAC 272 brush. This is a concealer brush. Now I was a person who never used to use a separate brush for a concealer. I always used to use a foundation brush and it worked. ऐसा नहीं it didn't. But then जब से मैंने ये start किया ना use करना, there's no going back.
Yeah.
Like when you have like terrible dark circles like me, this actually works in giving you a very precise application, precise blending. So I saw Shreya recommend this in one of her videos and obviously I had to get it. So I bought it and I cannot stop using this.
So I don't have any new makeup products, but I do have a lot of skincare products from my favorite brand, that is Dot & Key. I am sure you have heard a lot about this brand right now. So first of all, I have this hyaluronic serum concentrate. Oh my god, this is really good. First of all, the packaging ये ऐसे अच्छे से box packaging में आता है and that is how it looks like. It retails for 895 rupees. The consistency of this is water and gel based, so it absorbs to your skin really well and it hydrates really well. It is good for dry skin, oily skin or combination skin, which is really good. So one of my favorite products. And that's not it, I also have the skin pulping moisture infused lotion. Again, the packaging, the outer packaging is very nice and also the inner packaging very pretty, and this one was just for 795 rupees, which is honestly for me a little cheap because sleeping masks are usually very expensive. So 795 for a sleeping mask is really good. Again, this is a water and a gel based consistency, so it will absorb to your skin very well.
Moving on to my skincare favorite, even I have a Dot & Key product and it is their Night Reset Retinol Plus Ceramide Sleep Treatment Cream. Now I have used a lot of it, okay? If you can see, I've used so much of it. Firstly, I love the packaging.
Yeah.
It's the cutest packaging. Secondly, it's an Indian brand. And thirdly, the product in itself is really good. So it's very high on hydration, gives you a really nice glow, and in the morning you wake up with the most beautiful looking skin. ऐसा लगता है कि आपने बहुत पानी पिया है, you know. It just nourishes your skin so nicely. And also, like I've been reading a lot about retinol and vitamin C, hyaluronic acids and stuff like that. So I was excited to inculcate retinol into my skincare routine, and so far I am loving this. In fact, we are also going to do a video specially dedicated just to Dot & Key products, which will be up super soon. So stay tuned to know mini reviews about 10,000 products that we've bought from them. But for now, I am loving this.
Okay, now someone is calling me. Hello. Hanji.
I'm Chanel, आपको प्यार.
हाँ, कहाँ पे हो आप अभी?
Can we go somewhere to eat after this? No. मैं जा रही हूँ अकेले, तू मत आना. मम्मी ने पिज़्ज़ा बनाया तेरे लिए. Okay.
So for a change, I have a fashion favorite this time, and that is this amazing white t-shirt. So Instagram page called as Monochrome by Shruti and Tanu has sent me this t-shirt, and I just love this t-shirt. It is it is a long oversized white t-shirt, and it has customized things in it. So it has emojis in it, all different kind of emojis, and all of these emojis are my favorite emojis. So this Instagram store contacted me. I actually know them personally also. So this is a page where they have started a new business. They are doing customized thing on a lot of things, be it t-shirts, be it shoes, jacket, mask and everything. So they just asked me if I could promote them. So I told that I would like to try this, something like that, and they gave me the quality of this is so good. I have worn this at least 10 times by now. The print, the quality of the t-shirt, the quality of the print, everything is very nice. I also made a fashion reels for this. I styled this white t-shirt in 3 different ways. I will link that below. I will also link their Instagram page below. Do check them out.
Moving on, even I have a clothing item. I have two actually. Both of them are pajama sets. The first one is this one, a really cute shirt, and it also comes with matching pants. This is a pink Nutella one, and the other one that I have, blue popcorn print one. I bought them from an Instagram page called as November Bond Designs. So if you follow Mridul Sharma or her vlogs, she always mentions them, and I just DM'd them that I wanted to order, and I was not sure whether they had my size or not, but fortunately they did have my size, and she was such a sweetheart, and I love the print, I love the quality. I've worn it so many times. You might have seen one or two pictures on my Instagram as well. They are so cute, and it's an Indian brand, so let's support them. And she has so many different prints and patterns. I've ordered one more which has pizza on it, and I'm so excited for that. And one set is for 1250 rupees, which if you are from the plus size, you know how difficult it is to find a good quality Instagrammy looking PJ set. So I was really happy all in all. So yeah, y'all should definitely check it out.
So the next thing is so random but so important in my life. These are momos. So a backstory, before this quarantine period, I used to eat a lot of momos from street, and obviously because of the lockdown wo band hai and we cannot go to eat that. But I was craving, I was missing those momos so much. And momos na घर पे बनाने को बहुत त्रास है यार, बहुत झंझट होती है वो सारा करने को. I found this momos का packet online. I don't know how to pronounce this.
Prasuma,
yeah. So first of all, it was very difficult to find this earlier, but then I got it from Nature's Basket, which is really nice. And I guess this is the bada packaging. This is the 24 pieces ka packaging. These are vegetable momos. It also has paneer and different kind of vegetables inside it. It comes with the momos ka sauce, which is so important.
Yeah.
You can do anything with it. If you want, you can steam it, pan fry it, deep fry it. These are just for 270 rupees for 24 pieces of momos, which I don't think is expensive because I love momos. I can pay whatever amount I want to.
So guys, if you want like food related video, you know, we should do a food related video.
Yeah.
Jahan pe we find such good snacks and stuff. You will
True.
let us know if you would like to see that. And it totally off topic chala gaya. Now moving on to the next thing, so opposite to food, that is my workout routine. So if you follow me on Instagram, you might already know that I was doing this 15-day workout challenge by Chloe Ting, who is a very famous YouTuber, and she has all sorts of workout on her YouTube channel, like starting from legs, abs, back, upper body, you name it, and she has it. And trust me guys, for the first 3-4 days I was dead because मैं ना हमेशा मैं workout करती थी, but I used to work out for like 15-20 minutes max a day, and that was it. And her workout routines were like for an hour every day, so that was a big jump for me. First 3-4 days it was very difficult, but after that I got used to it. I couldn't hold a 10-second plank earlier, and now I can hold a 1-minute plank, which is crazy to me. And आज ही actually मेरा वो 15-day वाला complete हुआ है. She also gave like 3-4 days break also in between, and she has a lot of different things on her website as well. I will leave a link to it in the description box below. Now I know a lot of you guys actually DM'd me on Instagram as to how much weight I lost and everything. To be very honest, I never keep a track of my weight because that just sometimes demotivates you if you don't lose anything. But I would definitely tell you all one thing, okay, I have lost a couple of inches, that's for sure. So yeah, if you're looking for some good free workouts, you should definitely check out Chloe Ting.
So the next thing is again so random. I have so many random things in this favorites, but yeah, this is really worth it. So these are silk scrunchies. You guys can see how obsessed I am with these scrunchies. मैंने Amazon से order किया. So there was a packet of 12 scrunchies for 300 rupees, and there was some other packet which had these plain colors. That was 300 for 5 scrunchies. थोड़ा expensive है, but guys, you do not lose any hair when you tie this. Usually हम कोई नॉर्मल रबर बैंड डालते हैं एंड देन निकालते हैं, तो 4-5 बाल तो साथ में आते ही आते. ट्रस्ट मी, इसके साथ एक भी बाल नहीं आता. दीज आर सो कंफर्टेबल, एंड यू नो वैसे अपने बाल में ऐसा वो पुलिंग वाला इफेक्ट नहीं होता है. दीज आर वेरी लूज, सो
एंड स्टाइलिश एज वेल. इट लुक्स सो क्यूट.
लाइक यू नो, इसको मैं ऐसे भी इधर भी डाल दूं, कितना प्रिटी लग रहा है. सो आई रियली लाइक दीज, एंड आई फील दीज आर रियली वर्थ इट.
So the next thing is again related to like health habits. Now as I said that I was into working out and stuff this entire month, actually the entire quarantine, But now last month say I have made a special effort to walk for 10 to 15 minutes at my place only after my lunch and dinner. मतलब पहले भी I just used to have my food and sit, and which is not a good habit, we all know that. But अभी ना मैंने conscious effort लिया that I used to just normally walk, मतलब कोई brisk walking या running नहीं, just in my house only. I used to just browse through my phone and walk for like 10 to 15 minutes straight. Your food gets digested quickly, your metabolism increases with that, because I've been doing a lot of research on these small habits that you can, you know, inculcate to get better health, and that actually helps. You know, you don't feel bloated.
Yeah.
क्योंकि अगर आप even if you have late night dinner, if you just directly sleep, you are any which way is gonna feel bloated. By just walking for 10 minutes, if you have like a garden or terrace, that's great.
Yeah.
But मेरे को बहुत बोर होता है भाई ऊपर नीचे जाने को कहीं पे, so I just walk at my house only. तो मतलब it's just a good exercise, जो कोई ऐसे थकने वाले exercise नहीं, just normally चलो. And I think I am gonna continue this habit, so you all should also try it.
Again, a very random thing. Oh my god. So this is a hair brush, a hair shampoo brush to be precise. So for someone who has dry scalp, or you know, flaky scalp, itchy scalp, dandruff or something like that, it is good for them. So what you have to do is you have to shampoo your hair and you have to massage this into your hair for 5 minutes. आराम से massage करना है, ऐसे रगड़ के नहीं, एकदम आराम से massage करना है. And you know that itchy scalp or that dryness is just removed. For the first time when I tried it ना, I was so shocked. पर मेरे को ऐसा लगा कि हाँ बस ये 1-2 दिन तक ही रहेगा, then third day को automatically आ जाएगा, पर वैसा बिल्कुल नहीं हुआ. Feel that my scalp is clean. I don't know how is that possible, but yeah, I really like this. Again, I got it from Amazon. I guess 250 rupees का था, which is not bad, and ये एक ही आपको कितना time
Yeah, you don't need to repurchase it.
Yeah,
so that's
exactly. And इससे पहले ना मेरे को लगा था कि इससे शैम्पू करते टाइम हम कुछ करेंगे तो हेयर फॉल या कुछ होगा, वैसा कुछ भी नहीं, because the bristles are very soft, so it's not going to pull or anything like that. So yeah, it is really safe.
Moving on to my favorite show of the month, I was obsessed with Masaba on Netflix. So I could relate to that show on so many different levels. Firstly, she's a fashion designer,
Yeah.
so I mean वो तो एक अलग ही level का connection था, you know, कि उसका fashion show disaster हो गया, या उसका collection के लिए ideas नहीं आ रहे थे, investors were on her head कि आपकी creativity कहाँ गई. I deal with that on a daily basis. So मतलब this was something really relatable to me. And obviously Masaba Gupta is a very known designer. I love her designs, I love her work. So just to see an insight into her personal life, like her mom, her relationship, and the mess that she is in, it was really cool of her to show her messy side of her life as well. Not everything is glamorous, right? And half an hour के episodes, I guess there's just 6 episodes, yeah. And मैंने तो literally एक दिन में वो खत्म कर दिया, and it was really fun and fresh.
For a change, I don't have a favorite show, but I have a favorite book. So this is a book called as Good Wives, Good Life. This is by an author or a writer called as Vex King. I'm sure you guys know Kaushal Beauty. उसके husband ने ये लिखा हुआ है. Guys, this book is so good. You know, he has said things with his own life experience. So you know, you can think and imagine that. I'm sure you guys know about law of attraction, but he is talking about law of vibration, which was very new to me, the concept of law of vibration. So he explained everything about it, and he gave examples from his life कि ऐसा हुआ था and all that. So that is the reason I really like this book.
Moving on to our favorite day of the month. I don't really have one particular date, but I just wanted to talk about Instagram Reels in general. So Instagram Reels came up this month or last month, I would say. And you know, earlier I was really skeptical कि मतलब ये TikTok जैसा ही होगा, क्या करना चाहिए, because as a content creator we need to be updated with the apps, right?
Yeah.
And we both actually weren't on TikTok ever. We
Yeah.
never made any videos, so it was a bit skeptical. But and still date there is a lot of cringy content, okay, on Instagram as well. But there is a lot of meaningful content out there as well, related to fashion, beauty, skincare, lifestyle, cooking, and whatnot. And to be honest, I am really enjoying making reels. I've been so active on my reels, and to be very honest, उससे काफी reach बढ़ रही है. So many people are communicating, they are getting to learn so many different things, and 15-second video format is a really cool way to do something like quickly. All in all, I'm actually enjoying reels and I'm not missing missing TikTok like at all. So yeah.
For my favorite day of the month, it definitely has to be my birthday. So not typically my birthday was favorite, not 28th August was favorite, but 27th August and 29th was my favorite. As you guys have seen the birthday vlog, if not, first go and watch that, you will get to know why. So 28th August को मेरे driving license का test था, so my day was quite occupied in that. But 27th को I celebrated with Urvi, and then later at night my friends came over for sleepover and all that. So 27th was really fun. So again 28th को कुछ नहीं किया. 29th को I called my entire family, my dadi, my nani, my mama, masi and all that for dinner at home, which was really nice. एक तो इतने time के बाद सब लोग मिले,
I know, right?
which was so fun, and like, you know, being the host and all that was also really nice. I also made खुद से dinner, like a part of dinner was made by myself. So again I was proud of that कि yeah, I made something, and even they liked it. So yeah, that was a special moment for this month.
So yeah guys, that's it for this video. We hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did then
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon there to get notified every time we upload a new video.
and also guys, thank you so much for 2,000 subscribers.
Yeah.
We actually hit it today.
Yeah.
And we're so happy. It's a slow growth, but these milestones matter a lot.
Yeah.
So thank you for that, and yeah, we will see you all in our next video.
Bye.
Bye.